How to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to stop choppy or cutting out sound from your Bluetooth headphones or speakers. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and Devices. From there, click on your connected audio device. At this point, click Remove Device, then turn Bluetooth off and back on. In the next step, put your device back into pairing mode and reconnect it from the Bluetooth menu. Following this, if stuttering continues, right-click on the speaker icon in your taskbar. Once done, select Sound Settings. From here, click on your Bluetooth device under Output, then click on Device Properties. At this stage, look for the Format or Quality setting and try lowering it slightly, since higher quality settings can sometimes overload weaker Bluetooth connections. Keep in mind, stuttering often happens due to interference from other wireless devices, so try moving away from Wi-Fi routers or other Bluetooth gadgets nearby. After this, check for pending Windows updates by going to Settings, then Windows Update, since driver issues are a common cause of this problem. Finally, restart your computer once any updates finish installing to make sure the fix takes full effect. And that's it! If this guide helped you fix Bluetooth audio stuttering in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.